Welcome back to Komal's kitchen. And can anyone see the ingredients on my plate and guess कि मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए क्या बनाने वाली हूँ? You got it! I am making the Komal's extra special burger today. So, आधा किलो बीफ मैंने लिया है और इस बीफ में मैं बहुत सारी डिफरेंट चीज़ें डालूंगी जो मैंने काफ़ी घर में एक्सपेरिमेंट करके डिसाइड किया है कि दिस इज़ द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू गो टू द ओरिजिनल बीफ बर्गर देन रियली कुछ नहीं डालें, सिर्फ सॉल्ट पेपर डालें एंड थ्रो इट बंग इट ऑन योर ग्रिल पैन. बट इफ़ यू वांट इट स्लाइटली देसी स्टाइल देन you will need to put like some yummy stuff in it like I do. Now the first thing I'm going to do, because this takes the longest, is I'm going to melt lots of black pepper, takriban half a teaspoon into this beef. Right, so that is done, and now I'm going to start adding my other dry ingredients. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of lal mirch. Okay, make sure it's leveled. Okay, because we don't want to put too much spices either. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of paprika. Again leveled. This is not hot paprika, it's smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of salt, again leveled. We're going to take lasan powder. Half a teaspoon of this. We don't want it overpowering our thing. Okay? 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm going to add 1 heaped teaspoon of ketchup. And I'm going to add my beautiful anda, rich looking yolk. Okay? And then we're going to, I really like this, you don't have to put it, mixed Italian herbs. I know it doesn't make any sense कि आप पाकिस्तानी spices में herbs डाल रहे हैं Italian, but I'm going to put half a teaspoon of herbs because I think it adds a really nice flavor and aroma to it. And then all we're going to do is we're going to mix all these ingredients in with our most amazing mixer, our hand. Okay, we are actually not done with our burger patty. I am going to just give my hands a quick wash. So, जब आप meat handle करें, please don't forget to wash your hands, preferably with my hand wash. And because you know meat में, especially कच्चे meat में, there's a lot of good bacteria. But we don't want that bacteria to stick to our hands. Now, I'm going to show you why मैंने ये शाही की दाल मूंग जो है वो soak की हुई है. In this bowl, ladies and gentlemen, we have half a cup of that crispy dal moong shahi ka with 3/4 cup of water जो ये 1 घंटे से इस तरह soak मैंने किए ताकि ये soften हो जाए. And then we're going to come to this bad boy right here, and we are going to just blend it and just watch what happens after I blend this. So this has been blending for about a minute, and now you can see that this has become almost like a paste. So what we're doing is, instead of breadcrumbs, which I don't know if you know, it kind of dries up the kebab or the burger kebab or the burger, I like to add this soaked crispy dal because it gives it that yummy salty kind of lentily flavor, and it's very palatable to the South Asian palate. And we're going to put all of that in, and we're just going to add one last ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And that's it. We just give it a nice mix until it's all blended. All right, all our herbs and spices and dal has been nicely incorporated. Now I'm going to just cling wrap this. And now that this is nicely, tightly cling wrapped, just gonna bung it in the fridge so that the flavors really have time to marinate and marry, and put it in the fridge. So अब हमारा जो fridge है, beef है, जब तक marinate हो रहा है, तब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि sauce जो कि मेरा special secret sauce है, which I tried to be honest, replicate आपको पता नहीं आपने सुना है कैलिफोर्निया में there's a really famous burger joint called In-N-Out. I've tried to replicate that as best as I could. I couldn't find sweet pickle relish anywhere. इसमें 1 teaspoon sweet pickle relish भी डलती है, so I'm going to skip that. And वैसे भी you don't really need it. I'm going to show you how to replicate it in just a second. And all you need for it is a good quality mayo. So I'm going to put about 2.5 tablespoons of this mayo. ठीक है? A little bit more. So 2.5 tablespoons of this mayo. Right? I'm going to put a tablespoon of ketchup. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar. A little less, maybe 3/4 of a teaspoon of sugar. Okay? And I'm going to put, again, 3/4 of a teaspoon of vinegar. So, a little less than a teaspoon. Now, at this point, let me remind you that I wasn't able to find sweet relish anywhere, sweet pickled relish. So, I'm skipping that. Please do, if you find it, put it in, because it will just give it that oomph, alright? And the second option you can do is also add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. अगर आपको sauce में वो kick चाहिए, spicy sauce चाहिए, तो either add 1 teaspoon of any hot sauce or half a teaspoon of this chili powder. I am going to skip it because I have a little bit of that kick already in my burger, so I'm not going to put it in my sauce. Right, so I've given this a whip until I could feel the sugar has all gone. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Yum. Okay, so it's perfect. And our sauce is done. Now all I'm going to do is, our burger has been marinating for a while. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with my burger bun. इस burger bun को इसके ऊपर आप ज़ाहिरी बात है सॉस लगाएंगे, और जैसे ही आप सॉस लगाएंगे आपका जो burger bun है वो हो सकता है सॉगी हो जाए, स्पेशली अगर आप वो सॉस लगा के रख रहे हैं. सो हाउ टू गेट अ बर्गर बन्स टू नॉट गेट सॉगी ऑलमोस्ट इमीडिएटली, लाइक इट्स नॉट, डोंट कीप इट, इट्स नॉट गोना वर्क फॉर अगर आप 6 घंटे से इसको फ्रिज में रख रहे हैं, बट इट्स गोइंग टू स्टे क्रिस्पी फॉर अ लिटिल व्हाइल. कम, आई विल शो यू व्हाट टू डू. ऑलराइट, पुट दिस ऑन हाई, टेक सम बटर. Literally, all you need to do is rub the butter on the pan, okay, like this. Rub, 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 rub. And once it's rubbed, okay, you take the inside of your burger bun and you just plop it and make sure it's soaked up all the butter, and just plop it for about a minute until इसकी जो side है वो toasted हो जाए. जब ये टोस्ट होगी तो ये ऐंठ जाएगी और आप सॉस डालेंगे, our burger will be able to stay crispy and not so soggy for a longer period of time. So as you can see, it's nicely toasted. At this point, we're just literally going to flip it for about 30 seconds so that हमारी दूसरी side भी हल्की सी warm हो जाए, and we are just going to take it out on our plate, right? हल्का सा मैंने किया है. So now in this, we literally put a little bit of butter just for the taste. But pan garam hai, so do put your oil in first. जो भी oil आप use कर रहे हैं, any cooking oil. So we put in our oil. I'm using Evo extra virgin olive oil. ठीक है, generous amount, and then I'm going to throw in my butter. Now मैंने अपना ground beef निकाल लिया है. मैं जरा generous patty लूँगी, like about the size of a tennis ball. Right? And I'm going to, इसको ज़ोर ज़ोर से पैक नहीं कीजिएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा वो सुकड़ के यूँ हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इसको बहुत ही लाइटली मैं थोड़ा सा और ले रही हूँ. Right here, this is the amount that I'm taking. ठीक है, and I'm going to very lightly make it into a nice thick burger patty. It's going to taste absolutely delish. And उधर ही आप फ्रेश गोल गोल बनाएं और आप करीब आए. When I drop this in, मैं अंगूठे से बीच में एक यूँ होल कर दूँगी, ठीक है, ताकि जब ये पके तो ये एकदम से सुखड़ के बिल्कुल एक सख्त बॉल ना बन जाए. तो कीपिंग a little bit of a dent in the middle is a trick to making really nice big burgers, right? So while this is cooking, इसको मैं disturb नहीं करूँगी. I will wash my hands and be right back. Ooh, now that is exactly the kind of crispy caramelized top that we want. और यही हम bottom वाली layer पे देंगे. Let me just soak it up in all the oil and keep it in the center of the pan. ठीक है? Right, so at this point our burger is about 80% done. 80% done हो गया है. If you have really nice cheese, your favorite cheddar cheese that you love, then you can do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a slice of cheddar cheese. Beggars can't be choosers, I'm afraid. I'm going to put it right on the pan. मैं heat को low कर दूँगी. I have some beautiful sliced up mozzarella, and I am going to put that right on top of my burger like this, just a little bit, to give it that yummy kind of stringy texture to the cheese. And then I'm going to, oops, I need a bigger cover. I'm going to just cover this for a minute until the cheese melts. तो लो हीट पे ये 1 मिनट चीज़ मैंने हल्की सी मेल्ट होने दी. Yum, I'm so excited. And then I'm just literally carefully going to lift this burger. It's 100% cooked. And I'm going to put it on my burger bun. Switch off the flame. Come back to my workstation. And the assembly is really easy. हमने top half पे, you just wanna take some of that yummy sauce that you made, and आपको अगर बहुत sauce पसंद है, you can put बहुत. I'm just gonna put, let's say, about 1.5 teaspoons of it, and that's it. And then you assemble with your vegetables. I am partial to fresh onions. You can grill the onions, that also gives it that sweetness. I'm just gonna put 1 onion. I love tomatoes, so 2 tomatoes, and I love iceberg lettuce, so I've taken 2 leaves. I'm going to press them with my hand like this so that they don't become fluffy. ठीक है? Put them on top like that, and just put that on top, and then transfer this to our beautiful plate, and voila, आपकी कल इफ्तारी जो है वो बहुत लजीज होगी, क्योंकि आप लोग मेरा बर्गर ट्राई करेंगे और आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताएंगे कि आपको कैसा लगा. फिलहाल वक्त जो है वो आप मुझे देख सकते हैं खाते वक्त, क्योंकि मेरी इफ्तारी का टाइम हो चुका है. इनफैक्ट I've already had my iftari, so I didn't eat that much, and I was saving space for this burger because I'm so excited about it. I'm just going to try and cut this without making a mess, which is impossible because burgers are supposed to be messy. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You want to see me turn this? This is our beautiful burger. Now, I'm going to attempt to eat this in a ladylike fashion. Can you see how juicy my burger is in the middle? It's cooked, there's no redness, but you can tell that it's still moist. Here it goes. Oh! Mmm. 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 Sorry. So good. I think this is the best burger I've ever had. And that, trust me, that moong dal, it just added that yummy kind of desi touch to it. It's so yum. You guys gotta try this at home. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna finish this burger before I actually wash my hands. And I will see you next time. Bye.